Hello everyone and welcome to this introduction on the AFK Global Classroom course at SIDE. My name is Omar Matar and I want to explain to you how unique this course among the other courses available today. I have recently taken the AFK course and exam recently in August 2018. First, let me tell you how to pass the AFK according to my experience. Now, I have recently scored 91 in my exam, and I can tell you that this exam needs a very decent knowledge base. Knowledge base is like the vocabulary in a language. It's the information that you have collectively that you use to choose the different answers in the exam. Now, while this is essential to score in the exam, it is not enough in itself. Now, this knowledge base can be either taken through studying, through attending courses, or through different readings, or through memory from dental school. The next very important thing is the exam skills. Now, both of these factors, when applied together, they lead to high performance on the exam. So if you have good exam skills, it means that you know how to choose the best answer in the exam. So you might have a good understanding of the topic, but when you're faced with a question, you might not choose the correct answer, although you do know and understand the topic. This is what I mean by exam skills. You need to have a good strategy in the exam, for example, to manage your time and to manage which questions you spend what time on. Now, another very important factor is that you need to get used to the question styles in each exam. Now, for the AFK, there are some areas, for example, some topics that are very important, and the style of questions is unique from other exams if you have taken other similar exams. Of course, I cannot overemphasize this enough. You need to practice a lot. You need to practice solving as many questions as you possibly can. This is your key to success. So, to sum up this, you need to have a good knowledge base, and you do that by reading, studying, and you need to develop your exam skills through practice. Now, with this in mind, what we did in our course is that we rethought about the structure of the course. So what do we mean by hybrid course? Hybrid means that we're going to have in-class components or live components and recorded components, online components. In contrary to what many people believe, the lectures in itself are maybe the least productive part of the course. While it is a very important part, it needs a lot more than just attending a lecture to be able to understand and answer the questions correctly. So we decided to make the lectures online, recorded lectures that you can listen to anytime, anywhere. And we're going to use this time for some more productive activities. For example, we're going to hold reviews for each topic. So instead of giving a one full day of lectures on a certain topic, we are going to give you all of this content online and then having a live review on this topic after you have watched all of this content. After this review, we're going to have some group discussions, which means that if you have some questions, if there are some parts that you do not understand very clearly, we are going to cover those. Of course, we are going to cover important questions too, and the important points that come in this topic. In addition to that, we are going to give you electronic quizzes for each of the topics. This is a very important part, because along the course, you will need to have an indication on whether or not you're progressing in the right manner. So this continuous assessment part is essential to your self-evaluation. You need to know if you're going in the right direction. And of course, at the end of the course, you will have the mock tests, which will be delivered electronically too, and each of these, either quizzes or mocks, are going to be followed with a discussion session for all of the questions included. Now, as I just said, we are going to use an online platform specifically for delivering online courses. This online platform will have all the content you need. We are going to emphasize on teamwork, because if we work together as a team, we can make it through. Now, we will encourage everyone to participate in discussions and ask questions, and we do expect you to be fully committed, as we are fully committed to your success. Now, this course is going to be in weekly cycles. When the week starts, the online lectures are available for the week's topic. Then you will watch and study during the week. Now, while we approach the end of the week, this is where the action actually happens. We will have quizzes, reviews, and discussions at the end of the week. Now, if you already studied well and watched all the videos available during the week, you will have the best outcome of these sessions. Now, the key word for this is efficiency. We have designed this course with efficiency in mind. This is a sample of the course schedule. As you can see here, on Monday, we will start the topic by the videos. The videos will be released. Now, during the week, you will have the time to view these videos and study. And on Saturday, the next, and the weekend, you will have the review sessions and discussion. Now, the next week will start next Monday, and you will have its discussion on Saturday. And then we will have the quiz for the 2 weeks. Follow that on Sunday. We will have the Q&A and the quiz discussion from the previous day. Thank you very much. We are looking forward to having you on board.